May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, item number 16. My senior dean only is not well today. So I pray that your lordship may pass upon the matter for the day and fix the matter after Bihu.
You have collected information.
In fact, as far as item number 4 is concerned, I have spoken to the OC of Bongaigaon Police Station. He said that the initial address given in the FIR was of some quarter. And so they visited the quarter, they did not get him. Then they took an address, they went there, could not find him. So they have prayed for 1 or 2 days time. They will give my report by Saturday. So Monday or Tuesday, Lordship will fix. Wednesday. I've told them to give a report positively by Saturday.
Okay. Both sides are represented. Miss S. Jan and APP. Press warrant has granted time till 3/4/2024 to produce the proof of service. Sorry, the report of the officer in charge of the collected police station. List on 3/4/2024.
एक quarter one है
Okay.
Item number 5, that service is complete. That report lordship will. I've mailed it. That is Golaghat Police Station. That is done. To Muni Telenga.
This is under which provision? The punishment? Copy of notice as well as the memo of appeal. Right? Memo of appeal.
Yes.
Memo of appeal. For onward service on responder 2. So next para. The officer in charge of Paneri Police Station is put to notice to send the service report positively so as to positively reach this court on 8/4/2024. Stop. Next para. In the event the service report is not sent back, the court may be inclined to pass appropriate orders for personal appearance of the officer in charge of Paneri Police Station. Stop. Next, the learned APP shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the officer in charge of Paneri Police Station to bring the order to this notice. Next, list on 8/4/2024. Please remind us on the next date. We'll appoint.
Item 11.
Served. Same order. Service notice is served. Yeah, Mr. M.P. Kadir for the appellant and Mr. S.H. Boral and APP for the state. Notice is duly served. Service report received from officer in charge, Pragjatishpur Police Station. Single box facts, therefore we appoint
For hearing item 13.
Ms. Burman will have to uphold the conviction. Because but Ms. Meghali Burman, learned amicus, learned legal aid counsel appearing for the appellant, and Ms. S.H. Boral and APP for the state. This appeal under section 374 within bracket 2 CRPC is directed against the judgment and order of sentence dated 19/3/2019 passed by the learned additional sessions judge Dibrugarh in sections case number 100/2017 under section thereby convicting the appellant for commission of offense under section 302 IPC and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, in default to undergo simple imprisonment for further 3 months for committing offense under section 302 IPC. Next paragraph. The prosecution case was set rolling by one Gauri Diralal, Gouri Dirial, who had lodged an FIR on 24/10/2016 with the Namru Police Station, stating therein that on 23/10/2016, at about 4 p.m., the appellant who works in his tea garden had murdered his wife, Srimati Sumanti, SUMANTI, PANIKA, Anika. Her dead body was recovered in the labor quarter of the appellant. Accordingly, Namru PS case number 153 of 2016, of 2016 was registered under section 302 IPC corresponding to GR case number 3103 of 2016. Next paragraph. on completion of investigation, comma, the IO found sufficient materials against the appellant, and accordingly, charge sheet was submitted in the said case. Full stop. On after the committal proceedings, comma, the case was transferred. The Court of London Additional Sessions Judge Dibrugarh for trial. Full stop. Next one. The the London Trial Court explained charges to the appellant on 14/9/2017 of intentionally causing death of his wife. It's perhaps a mistake in the name of the wife. In the charge sheet, the charge is Kurua. Surname is Kurua of the wife.
Yes.
But in the judgment, the name is
Panika,
ha.
Sumanti Panika,
Hmm?
Sumanti Panika.
Yes. Please see this record. Where do we find that?
Yes.
Just a moment. In the Panika, it was a postmortem report, Sumati Kurwa.
Witnesses have because
Sumati Kurwa, spelling is Karuwaa. Karuwa, full stop. It may be mentioned that in the FIR, the name of the deceased is mentioned as Sumanti Kanika, that first Kanika, Panika, Panika, Panika. So, however, comma, her name is reflected in as Sumanti Kurwa in the postmortem report, as well as in the deposition of the witnesses examined by the prosecution. Full stop. On charges being explained, the appellant claimed to be tried by pleading not guilty. Next paragraph. The prosecution comma, in course of trial, comma, had examined 6 witnesses, 6 prosecution witnesses, namely Gori, Gouri, Dirial, Dirial, within bracket PW1, comma, Kalia, Kalia, Orang, Orang, within bracket PW2, Dr. Debarshi, Debarshee, Chakrabarty, Chakraborty, within bracket PW3, comma, Sunil Karua, Karua, within bracket PW4, Dhran Gogoi, DHRAN, oh no, Duran, DURAN, Duran Gogoi, within bracket DURAN Gogoi, within bracket PW5, and the I of the case, Prasanta Besbarua, PRASANTA, Besbarua, BZBORUH, within bracket PW6. And the following documents were exhibited. Isolate. SR within bracket exhibit 1. Scissor list dated 23/10/2016 within bracket exhibit 2. Postmortem report within bracket exhibit 3. Inquest report within bracket exhibit 4. There's again a mistake. PW1 has exhibited scissor list as exhibit 4. It should have been exhibit 2. Scissor list is exhibit 2. Inquest report is exhibit 4. There's again a mistake here.
Position.
That is why we are searching once a mistake is found. Then,
Exhibit
no, you see page 11. Last line of examination in chief.
chief.
Exhibit 4 scissor list. Whatever be, but it has led to my go through everything. Then sketch map within bracket exhibit 5.
4142 is the scissor list, exhibit 1 is my,
Uh,
to have been instead of 4.
correct. Then chart sheet within bracket exhibit 6. Full stop. On next para on the after examination of all the PWs, comma, the incriminating materials appearing against the appellant was put before him during examination under section 313 CRPC. Full stop. The appellant took a plea of denial and stated that his wife had died by consuming poison. And did not desire to give any evidence. Full stop. Next para, the learned trial court had examined the evidence of the PWs Full stop. The learned trial court took notice of the evidence of PW1 PW2 and PW3 and found that after PW1 had come, comma, the appellant had opened the door of his house and thereafter PW2 and PW3 went inside the room of the appellant and found his wife lying dead on a bed. And the dead body was covered with a cloth. Full stop. As per evidence of PW3, he had noticed blood-stained HOE, HOE, inside the room, which was later on seized by the police through Exhibit 2. The learned trial court also took notice of the evidence of PW5, who had seen that on 10 a.m. on the same day, the accused was pouring water from a drain on his wife's head. And his wife was shouting on him not to do it. And later on, he heard that the appellant had killed his wife. First of he was a signatory to the Caesar list, and he had proved his signature thereon. This PW 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. First of the PW4 was the seizure witness who had seen the seizure of cloth, hoe, and a bottle. And he had exhibited the hoe with handle with as M exhibit 1, the bottle was exhibited as M exhibit 2, and the seized cloths were exhibited as M exhibit 3, 4, and 5. Full stop. In his cross-examination, the PW4 had stated that he had seen a blood-stained hoe However, it may be stated that there are no eyewitnesses to the incident. Full stop. It may be next para. The learned trial court had extensively relied on the evidence of the doctor who had conducted the post-mortem examination within bracket PW3 and found that as per her evidence, as per his evidence, her evidence of Devarshi. Devarshi is a lady. Seems to be lady. We'll make it CAV. Heard the arguments concluded, judgment reserved. This assessment bureau for the. Because my brother has a single bench.